Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You want to know how Jamaican chat? Do you want to know how Jamaicans talk? Wagwan with this and that family. This is a Jamaican girl Trisha, and I'm saying welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and pop down the notification bell. Now today, I want to teach you some Jamaican words that you need to know, especially if you are traveling to this beautiful island home. Yes, I feel so happy to know that where I live, others come for vacation. Yes, so you ready? Are you ready to learn these words? The first word is Irie. This means good or great. The next phrase is one love, and this means unity or solidarity. The next phrase is Jagide, and this means God bless. See, the Jamaican language, it is beautiful and it is very, very colorful. Wagwan. This simply means what's going on. Respect. This means hello. It can mean hello and it can also mean goodbye. It depends on how you're saying it. Like respect. That could be like a hello or respect. That could mean goodbye. Yeah, man. That means yes or yes, man. Bless up. That could mean goodbye, or it could simply mean blessing. Take time. That means take your time. Just cool, or just cool no man. That means relax. When Jamaicans say vibes, they are talking about the atmosphere or the mood. Nyam, that means eat. Brethren, that means brother. Sistrin, that means sister or sis. Gal, that means girl. Wapm, that means what's happening. I sure hope that you are learning to speak the nice Creole, the nice Jamaican patois. Come on the journey with me. Don't forget to comment and let me know where you're watching from. I really want to know. Guys, I love you so much and I'm happy to be your Jamaican girl, taking you into our Jamaican culture, teaching you how to chat, yeah man, how to talk, teaching you how we walk as Jamaicans and how we live as Jamaicans, and bringing back some of those Jamaican history to the fore. Jamaica, beautiful island, yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. See you in our next lit video. Love you guys so much. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.